Hello travelers, welcome back to Voyage View. Airports can be exciting gateways to new adventures, but they can also be filled with potential pitfalls that could start your trip off on the wrong foot. Today we're talking about the top 10 things you should never do at the airport before boarding a flight. Avoid these and you'll be on your way to a much smoother journey. Let's dive right in. 1. Don't arrive without checking your flight status. Always check your flight status before leaving for the airport. Flights can be delayed or cancelled last minute due to weather, mechanical issues, or other unforeseen circumstances. There's nothing worse than arriving at the airport too early, or worse, too late, because you didn't check. 2. Avoid overpacking your carry-on. While it might be tempting to stuff your carry-on to avoid checking a bag, overpacking can lead to issues at security checkpoints. If your bag is too cluttered, it might be flagged for a detailed check, slowing you down significantly. 3. Never ignore airport security rules. This might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people get held up at security because they ignore the basics. Don't bring liquids over 100 milliliters, always remove your laptop from your bag, and ensure your pockets are empty. Keeping these rules in mind will help you breeze through security. 4. Don't forget to check terminal and gate information. Airports can be huge and gate numbers can change. Before you settle in at a cafe far from your gate or immerse yourself in a book, make sure you know where you need to go and keep an ear out for any announcements about changes. 5. Avoid airport currency exchanges. If you can help it, never exchange money at airport kiosks. The rates are usually not in your favor. Plan ahead and either exchange your money beforehand or use ATMs at your destination for a better rate. 6. Don't joke about security threats. Never make jokes about carrying weapons or any security threats while at the airport. Security personnel take these comments very seriously, and you could end up delaying your flight or, worse, missing it altogether due to a security investigation. 7. Avoid dressing inappropriately for flight. Wear comfortable clothing and easily removable shoes to expedite your security screening and enhance your comfort during the flight. Avoid belts, excessive jewelry, or complicated footwear that could slow down your security process. 8. Don't leave your luggage unattended. Even for a minute, unattended baggage raises security concerns and might be confiscated or destroyed. Always keep your bags with you or use airport storage facilities if you need to step away. 9. Never skip the pre-boarding process. Airlines sometimes offer the option to board early or at a more convenient time. Pay attention to these offers and the boarding process to avoid last-minute gate crowding or missing important pre-flight information. 10. Avoid consuming too much alcohol. While grabbing a drink before a flight might seem like a good idea to calm nerves or pass the time, overindulging can lead to dehydration, heightened emotions, or even denied boarding if you appear intoxicated. And those are the 10 things you should never do at the airport before your flight. Keeping these tips in mind can make your airport experience as smooth as possible and start your trip on the right note. Thank you for watching. If you've learned something new today or have your own airport tips to share, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more travel advice from Voyage View. Safe travels and see you in our next adventure.